family is important to you. Why is family so important to society?
I'll talk about my family. You know, I have a God-fearing, loving, faithful wife who has taught me so much about family. I'm from a broken home.
Being the son of Denzel Washington was...
And Pauletta Washington.
And Paul, thank you. And
who was earning more money than he was when they married, before they got married. She was on Broadway working. She paid for the first date. She paid the bill, paid the cab ride. So, you know, a classically trained pianist, went to Juilliard. You know, she's a great artist in her own right, and I learned a lot from her.
I want you all to watch this video and share your thoughts on what Larry and Denzel Washington said.
He's probably the only person in Hollywood speaking the truth.
Do you think that we can truly make change as things are right now?
Well, it starts in the home. You know, if the father's not in the home, the boy will find the father in the streets.
The number one social issue in America that nobody's talking about is the epidemic of fatherlessness.
Yep.
It is particularly acute in the black community. 70% of black kids in the world today without a father in the home, married to the mother. And the numbers are clear. When you're raised without a dad, you're 5 times more likely to be poor and commit crime, 9 times more likely to drop out of school, and 20 times more likely to end up in jail.
I think it's more important to make headway in our own house. By the time the system comes into play, the damage is done. They're not locking up 7-year-olds.
I understand this is a complex issue that triggers a lot of emotions, but we can't avoid this conversation. It's something we need to discuss to find a solution. That's why I want you to express your opinions, as they might help others. My belief is that some people in power do not want a functioning society which depends on united families, because it's difficult to control and take advantage of people. This is why they are destroying the institution of marriage. They push women towards divorce, try to imprison fathers, or separate them from their families because they know fathers uphold family principles. Once a home is broken, they can control the children's minds and use them as they wish. Despite these efforts to destroy the marriage institution and control society, I feel we can take action and prevent this evil move. We need to resist the system and do what is necessary to escape it. The black community, in particular, is vulnerable to these traps, including gun violence and drug addiction. We've failed to escape the system, and they are exploiting us. I understand what Kanye West meant about slavery being a choice. At this point, we have no excuse but to find solutions rather than just complaining. We know these people are not for us and will never help us, so we must take control of our own lives. Most incarcerated teenagers come from homes without fathers, which shows why the elites target fathers. A fatherless home often leads to children engaging in destructive behaviors. We can fix our society by ensuring fathers are present, taking care of our families, and avoiding actions that lead to imprisonment. Though some things are unavoidable, we can still make a difference. This is what I believe Denzel and Larry were trying to convey. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below.